Class 3 Maths Magic Vikas Workbook Standard 3 Chapter number 11 Jugs and Mugs. Page number 192. Question number 6. Fill in the blanks. 1 number. How many times does the measuring vessel of 100 milliliter need to be poured to get 1 liter of milk? Once again we will read. How many times does the measuring vessel of 100 milliliter need to be poured to get 1 liter of milk? So क्या बोला है? Vessel contain 100 milliliter of milk. Vessel can contain 100 milliliter of milk. We have to pour 1 liter of milk. 1 liter milk करना है और vessel can contain 100 milliliter. So how to do? Let's do. Once again, first you all are very familiar that 1 liter has 1000 milliliter. 1 लीटर के अंदर कितना मिलीलीटर आता है? 1000 मिलीलीटर. वेसल कैन कंटेन 100 मिलीलीटर. 100 मिलीलीटर एक बार होता है. उस वेसल की साइज, उस वेसल में कितना मिल्क आता है? 100 मिलीलीटर. तो कितनी टाइम हम उसको पॉर करेंगे, भरेंगे तो 1 लीटर यानी कि 1000 मिलीलीटर होगा. सो 100 मिलीलीटर को कितने टाइम करेंगे? 10 टाइम. 100 10 1000. सो 100 मिलीलीटर वेसल को 10 टाइम पॉर करेंगे तो हमको 1000 मिलीलीटर मीन्स 1 लीटर मिल्क मिलेगा. सो हियर यू कैन राइट 10 times. You can write 10 times. How many times? 10 times. Number 2. How many times does the measuring vessel of 200 milliliter need to be poured to get 1 liter of milk? Same question, but vessel can contain instead of 100 200. How many times does the measuring vessel of 200 milliliter? Measuring vessel can contain 200 milliliter. Then how many times we have to pour to get 1 liter? Once again, 1 liter has 1000 milliliter. A vessel 200 मिलीलीटर का है. एक बार में 200 मिलीलीटर. सो कितनी टाइम पोर करेंगे तो 1000 मिलीलीटर होगा? 1000 करने के लिए 200 है. सो 200 को कितने टाइम? 5 टाइम्स. 5 2s are 10. सो 1000 हुआ. अदरवाइज लाइक दिस यू कैन डू. 200 एक बार डाला, देन 2 टाइम किया तो 400, देन 600, then 800 and then 1000 मीन्स 1000. इतनी बार डालेंगे तो 1000 होगा मीन्स 1 लीटर होगा. कितनी बार हुआ? 1 2 3 4 and 5 टाइम्स. शॉर्ट वे 5 2s are 10. Okay, so 200 5s are 1000 milliliter. So we can say 200 milliliter need to be poured to get 1 liter of milk. How many times? 5 times. Right here 5 times. 3 number. To get 1 liter of milk. अब कितना है? Milk 1 liter. Measuring vessel of dash milliliter is to be poured twice. What is the meaning of twice? Twice means 2 time. Once means 1 time. Twice means 2 time. Thrice means 3 time, like that. So once again, to get 1 liter of milk. 1 liter means 1000 milliliter. Measuring vessel of dash milliliter is to be poured twice. 2 टाइम pour करेंगे तो 1000 होगा. 2 टाइम pour करना है. 2 टाइम pour करेंगे तो 500 plus 500. ओके, 500 2 टाइम डालो तो क्या होगा? 1000. सो मेजरिंग वेसल कितने? 500 मिलीलीटर का हो सकता है. देन इट कैन बी poured twice. 500. The vessel of 500 milliliter is to be poured twice. Number 4. How much milk do we get by using the measuring vessel of 500 milliliter of milk 6 times? Once again, how much milk do we get? हमको कितना मिल्क मिलेगा? We get by using. क्या यूज करना है? The measuring vessel of 500 milliliter. Vessel can contain 500 milliliter of milk 6 times. 500 milliliter, 500 milliliter 6 times. कितने टाइम? 6 times. Times means we are using this sign multiplication. So कितना मिलेगा? 5 6 30 and कितने 0? 1 2. 3000 milliliter. 3000 milliliter is equal to 3000 milliliter is equal to 3 liter. So here you can write 3 liter. Question number 7. Write the answer to the questions based on the picture and details given below. A. Meenal and Naren have equal pots. This one is Meenal and this one is Naren. They both have equal pots. Meenal fill her bottle 15 times. Meenal fill her bottle 15 times from the tap. From the tap to fill her pot. And Naren fill his bottle 5 times to fill his pot. 2 pots are here and its size is equal. But मीनल को 15 टाइम्स टैप में से बॉटल भर के इसमें डालनी पड़ेगी और नरेन को 5 टाइम्स. इजीली यू कैन से हुज बॉटल इज बिग? नरेन्स बॉटल इज बिगर देन हर. नंबर 1. हाउ मच वाटर कैन नरेन्स बॉटल होल्ड देन मीनल्स बॉटल? ऑप्शंस आर गिवन. हाफ, ट्वाइस, 3 टाइम. Once again, how much water can Naren's bottle hold than Meenal's water? अब क्या दिख रहा है? Meenal fill her bottle 15 times from the tap to fill her pot and Naren fill his bottle 5 times to fill his pot. So we can write here then 15 is equal to here 5 times. Naren, ये किसकी बॉटल है? किसकी है? मीनल की. और ये किसकी है? नरेन की. व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? हाउ मच वाटर कैन नरेन्स बॉटल होल्ड देन मीनल्स बॉटल? ओके, सो 5 3s are 15. So we can write 3 time. Okay, 3 time or thrice. You can write here 3 time. Okay, नरेन है. Number 2. How many bottles of water do Meenal need to fill both the pot? Once again, how many bottles of water do Meenal need to fill both the pot? Meenal need कितनी bottles? Meenal को कितनी बॉटल चाहिए दोनों pot fill करने के लिए? Here it is written that Meenal fill her bottle 15 times from the tap to fill her pot. एक pot fill करने के लिए कितनी bottles है? 15 bottles है. So to both 15 2s are 30. एक के लिए 15 है. So for 2 15 2s are 30. So write here 30. Otherwise 30 bottles. Number B. Next page number 193. 2 pots are here, pot number 1 and pot number 2 and 1 glass. Pot number 2 holds 12 glasses of water. Pot number 2 holds 12 glasses of water and pot number 1 holds twice or double amount of water than pot number 2. Pot number 2 holds already 12. It is given. And pot number holds how many? Twice than pot number 2. Twice than pot 2. So twice means 2 times. 12 2s are 24. So we can say pot number hold 24 glasses. Number 1. How many glasses of water are needed to fill pot number 1? 24. Twice that pot number 2 means 24. Write here 24 glasses. How many glasses of water are needed to fill 2 pots same as pot number 1? Once again, how many glasses of water are needed to fill 2 pots same as pot number 1? Means pot number 1 है उसके जितना ही. उसमें कितनी ग्लास आ सकती है? इट कैन 24 ग्लासेस, 20, इट कैन होल्ड 24 ग्लासेस. सो पॉट ऐसा सेम लाइक पॉट नंबर 1, 24 2 times. So 24 2 times, that is the 48. So 48 glasses. How many glasses we need? 48 glasses we need to fill 2 pots, same as pot number 1. 24 plus 24, that is 48. Question number 8. Solve the following problem. Number 1. 1 jug lemon is made from 6 glasses of water. 1 jug, 6 glasses. How many glasses of water are needed to make such 3 jugs of lemon? Once again, always in word problems, we will read the last question. We'll start from there to understand whole question. How many glasses? We have to find the number of glasses of water are needed to make such 3 jugs of lemon. Here they have given 1 jug. 1 jug, 6 glasses. It is written here 1 jug lemon is made from 6 glasses of water. यानी कि 1 jug is equal to 6 glasses. Therefore, we need first 3 jugs. 3 jugs is equal to how many glasses? Question mark means how many glasses. How many glasses? Whatever we want to search, that we will write here last. Okay. Now here we will do reciprocal. 3 will go here, only we will do reciprocal. 3 will go up, 1 will down, multiply by 6. So upside 3 and 6. So 3 6 are 18. We can write 18 glasses. How many glasses? 18 glasses of water are needed to make such 3 jugs of lemon. Question number 2. 1 packet contains 3 liter orange juice. Already it is written 1 packet contains 3 liter juice. How many glasses of 500 milliliter can be filled out of it? Now here we will see the unit first. Here liter and here milliliter. So what we will do? We will convert in milliliter first, because glasses of milliliter. So first we will do 3 liter. 3 liter is equal to 3000 milliliter. 3 liter is equal to 3000 milliliter. What we have to search? How many glasses of 500 milliliter can be filled out of it? यानी कि 3 लीटर है, 500 मिलीलीटर की एक ग्लास 500 मिलीलीटर की है. सो 3000 मिलीलीटर में कितनी ग्लासेस आएंगे? हाउ मैनी ग्लासेस? वी हैव टू फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ ग्लासेस. सो लेट्स राइट हियर 500 milliliter is equal to 1 glass. Okay, 1 glass can contain 500 milliliter of juice. Therefore, we have 3000 milliliter. 3000 milliliter means 3 liter orange juice. We have 3 liter orange juice. So, how many glasses can fill from 3000 milliliter of juice? Here, what we will do? 3000 ऊपर आएगा and 500 नीचे. Here only 1, so we can write multiply by 1. Now upside, this is in division. 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 0 cancel. Upside remain 3 and here 5. 5 की टेबल में 30 आता है. Yes, 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. So how many glasses from 3 liter of orange juice? 6 glasses. How many glasses? 6 glasses. Question number 3. 1 bottle has 5 liter of water. It is written 1 bottle has 5 liter of water. Mahesh drank half of water from it during the day. How much water remain in the bottle now? 5 liter है, उसका हाफ वो पी जाता है. He drank. Okay, but 5 liter का हाफ करना थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा. So instead of 5 liter, we convert 5 liter into milliliter. So 5000 मिलीलीटर। 5 लीटर इज इक्वल टू 5000 मिलीलीटर। अब 5000 में वो हाफ पी जाता है, सो 5000 का हाफ करो। हाफ करने के लिए डिवाइड बाय 2, 5000 डिवाइड बाय 2। सो नहीं आता तो रफ में कर सकते हो। 5000 डिवाइड बाय 2, 5000 डिवाइड 5000 बाय 2, 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4 1, ऊपर से 0। 2 के टेबल में 10 आता है, यस। 2 5s are 10, 0 10 minus 10 0 0। now this 2 0 remain, so that we will write up 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0. What is the answer? 2500 milliliter remain in the bottle. Now 2500 milliliter, how to write in liter? 2500, so 1 liter has 1000 milliliter. 1000 has how many zero? 3 0. So from right side we will count 3 numbers, 1 2 3, and we'll put the point. So we can write 2500 milliliter is equal to 2.500 liter. Okay, so half of 5 liter is 2.5 liter. Question number 4. One kettle had 500 milliliter of tea. Okay, कितनी टी है उसके अंदर? 500 milliliter. Sanjay drank 300 milliliter tea from it. It has 500 and he drank 300 milliliter. How much tea is left in the kettle? Simple है, left word आया. So what we will do? Subtract. Let's do. It has 500 milliliter and 300 Sanjay drank. So 5 minus 3, it is 200. Okay. So how much tea is left? 200 milliliter tea is left in the kettle. Next page number 194, question number 5. One bucket is filled by 5 mugs of water. One bucket, एक bucket है, उसके अंदर कितने mugs water आते हैं? 5 mug. Okay, यानी कि 1 bucket is equal to 5 mugs. How much buckets can be filled by 15 mugs? 15 mugs. Now whatever we want to search, that we will write back. Last, how many buckets? क्या search करना है? Number of bucket. That we will write last. So what is written here? 5 mugs is equal to 1 bucket. 5 mugs से एक bucket fill कर सकते हैं. Therefore, this sign is called therefore. We have how many mugs? 15 mugs. 15 mugs is equal to how many buckets? Is equal to 15 ऊपर जाएगा, 5 नीचे आएगा. ये ऊपर, 5 नीचे. Now in 5's table, when 15 come, 5 3s are 15. So how many buckets? 3 buckets can be filled by 15 such mugs. Question number 6. How many times does the measuring vessel of 200 milliliter need to be poured with milk to fill a 2 liter bowl? यहाँ दिया है 200 milliliter and here 2 liter. Once again, how many times does the measuring vessel of 200 milliliter need to be poured with milk to fill a 2 liter bowl? Here we have to fill the bowl and its capacity is 2 liter. 2 liter is equal to 2000 milliliter. Now what is given here? That 200 milliliter का जो vessel है वो कितनी बार fill करेंगे? How many times? That 2000 milliliter होगा. 200 को कितनी times fill करेंगे? तो 200 milliliter हो 2000 milliliter होगा. So 200 milliliter के vessel कितनी बार? 10 time. 200 200 200 एक बार, 2 बार, 3 बार. So we will fill it 10 time. So 2000 मिलीलीटर मीन्स 2 लीटर बाउल फुल हो जाएगा. 2 10 are 200, 2 1s are 2 and 1 2 and 3 0 1 2 3 0. Simple है. Okay, so we can say 10 times does the measuring vessel of 200 milliliter need to be poured with the milk to fill a 2 liter bowl. Now MCQs. Choose the correct alternative for each question and write its order alphabets in box. Number 1. 535 milliliter plus 450 milliliter minus 165 milliliter. Simple है. First 535. First what we will do? First we will check the units. All units are same or not? Milliliter, milliliter, milliliter. Yes, all are same. So we can write here easily plus 450. First we will add 5 minus 0, 5. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. And 5 plus 4, 9. 985 minus, what is there? 165. 165. So 5 minus 5, 0. 8 minus 6 is not possible. 8 minus 6, 2. And 9 minus 1, 8. 820. So where is the answer? 820. Write in the box A. Number 2. 350 milliliter multiply by 2. Simple multiplication. 350 multiply by 2. You can do here or in the rough. 350 multiply by 2. 2 zeros are 0. 5 2s are 10. 1 is carrying forward and 0 is here. Or 0 is here. 1 is carrying forward. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. 700 milliliter. Where it is? A. Write in the box A. Number 3. There are dash milliliters in 6 liter and 200 milliliter. 6 liter, 200 milliliter. So how much? 6200. B number. Write in the box B. Number 4. The standard unit of measuring the capacity of a container is, what is the standard unit? Yes, it is liter. Right answer is B. Number 5. To paint a room, 650 milliliter of green paint and 275 milliliter of yellow paint was required. How much quantity of paint was required to paint the room? Whole room we have to paint. 2 colors are given, green and yellow. So total how much liter we need the color? 650 plus 275. We have to find the total milliliter. So what we will do? We will add 650 plus 275. 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 5, 12. 1 is carrying forward. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 925. Where it is? Yes, the correct answer is D. And write in the box D. So write this exercise in your workbook.